Gas fire pits are the perfect solution for places where wood fires are not allowed or possible. They are easier to operate, requires little maintenance, and doesn't involve the risk of sparks. Gas fire pits come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and designs, in which you can select the one that is best suited for your backyard decor. There are many products available to choose from best gas fire pits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gas fire pits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bali Outdoors Gas Fire Pit. Although being a relatively small brand, Bali Outdoors develops portable gas fire pits with a large heating capacity to keep you warm even during harsh winters. This gas fire pit comes with a heating capacity of 50,000 BTU that creates sufficient heat to maintain a warm temperature. There is a control knob using which you can adjust the heat output of this fire pit to create the perfect temperature. The gas fire pit features an antique brown with black faux finish that allows you to use it as an outdoor table as well. The fire pit comes in separate parts, and you have to assemble by screwing the parts together. Once assembled, you can easily start the fire pit using the push button. Along with the fire pit, you get a blue fire glass to hide the burner ring. While there are no details regarding the warranty, the brand provides reliable after-sales service to solve your query. Number 2. Bond Manufacturing Gas Fire Pit. Bond Manufacturing specializes in developing outdoor heating solutions, patio shades, and fountains. The brand produces wood-burning pits, gas heating pits, and fireball fillers for outdoor use. Bond Manufacturing's gas fire pit features a powerful 40,000 BTU heat capacity for efficient and functional outdoor heating. The other best feature of this gas fire pit is its durability. It is made from a special material called Envirostone that makes this fire pit durable yet lightweight. There is also a special Procoat coating that ensures your fire pit lasts for a long time, even when used outdoors in harsh weather conditions. The burner is made of stainless steel to withstand high temperature and last longer. As the fire pit is compact and lightweight with 63.2 pounds, you can easily carry it anywhere and set it. The fire pit comes with a 20 pounds propane tank that offers enough fuel capacity for your heating needs. The tank is concealed underneath the firebowl. It features a pulse ignition and control knob for easy lighting and temperature adjustment. Along with the fire pit, you get a protective cover that you can use to turn the fire pit into an outdoor table. Pros: decent heat output. Comes fully assembled. Resistant against UV in harsh weather conditions. Cons: poor customer service. Number 3. Umax Gas Fire Pit. When compared with other options out there, Umax is one of the safest gas fire pits because of its various features and certifications that are not found in most other models. This Umax gas fire pit is present in the 3rd position in this article, as it offers a wide range of safety certifications to the user, including CSA. Other than that, it comes with a glass wind guard included in the box. While it is there to mainly protect the flame from wind, it can also prevent any accidental touches with the hot surface of the flame itself. As for its performance, this gas fire pit offers a heating capacity of 50,000 BTU that is more than enough. Its large size of 44 inches makes it one of the largest units that offer a great-looking design. Just like most other options out there, this one also offers a 1-year-long warranty to its users. Pros: includes various handy accessories. Number 4. Legacy Heating Gas Fire Pit. Legacy Heating is a designer, importer, and distributor of outdoor living products including fire pits, patio heaters, and all the relevant parts and accessories. The brand has its operations in over 30 countries across the globe. Legacy Heating's gas fire pit features a dual function that allows you to use this fire pit as an outdoor table, apart from warming your living space. It comes with a matching lid to turn it into a table. The fire pit uses a stainless steel burner with advanced safety features and durability. The fire pit is also ETL approved for its safety features. There is a standard 20 pounds propane gas cylinder concealed beneath the burner that you can easily access. When it comes to performance, the gas fire pit offers a heat capacity of 48,000 BTU that is more than sufficient to warm your living space. For ease of use, there is a push-button spark piezo ignition system that allows you to start the fire pit conveniently. The fire pit is coated with a durable powder that makes it resistant to heat, UV, and harsh weather conditions. Along with the gas fire pit, you get a 3-foot hose with regulator and 4 pounds lava stones. The package also includes a detailed installation that helps you get started with the fire pit. Number 5. Endless Summer Patio Fire Pit. As mentioned earlier, Endless Summer offers a wide range of gas fire pit models out there, due to which we are here with another one. The Endless Summer Blue Rhino gas fire pit is comparatively cheaper when compared to the previous model. Even though it has a lower price tag, you still get the same size rating of 30 inches with this gas fire pit model. Although, the heating capacity rating is definitely lower as it is rated at just 50,000 BTU, which can be an issue for a few users out there. Other than that, you get the same great build quality. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.